Here at Class In, we believe education.
So in this workshop, we're going to look at different ways that you can adapt offline activities that you all know that you do in your classrooms with your students, with your kids. How can you adapt it to
and then
online?
Engagement and motivation. Who loves a good game? So our games, our activities are designed as a supporting tool to help students practice, to help students review in a fun and immersive way. Okay, are you ready? 1,
Ready?
2, 3, go! That would get you. Wow, that was actually quite a bit. You know,
Good
down.
job.
And
There we
See
go.
if you can find
down.
a friend.
Oh,
Nice.
cherry.
You found
Okay,
cherries.
yeah.
Yes. Well done.
Good.
That was
And then
awesome.
move, or you can have the student build the face, and then afterwards, you can have the student create the sentence. Very good. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so draw a picture of an animal. Is it?
Is it a cat?
It's a chicken.
Yes, that's right.
It's a chicken.
It's a cat.
Okay, great.
Nice.
Okay, great. Now, what I'd like to show you is another way that you can do this on ClassIn. On ClassIn over here, we have something called a sketchboard. I'd like each of you to think of an animal, all of you, and I'm going to give you a board to draw on.
Very nice, everyone.
Okay, I see some of you drawing.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Murray.
Thank you.
Thank you, Brent. Bye, everyone.